Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook gelatin, a foundational skill for many delightful recipes. Gelatin transforms liquids into a wobbly yet stable texture perfect for desserts, aspics, and more. Understanding the basic steps ensures your creations turn out perfectly every time, giving you confidence in the kitchen. We will cover blooming the granules, dissolving them completely, and then setting your gelatin with ease, guiding you every step of the way. Blooming is the crucial first step to ensuring your gelatin dissolves smoothly without lumps. Simply sprinkle your granulated gelatin evenly over a small amount of cold liquid, typically 1/4 cup per packet. Allow it to sit undisturbed for about 5 to 10 minutes. You will notice it thickens into a wobbly, almost solid gel. This process prepares the gelatin for complete dissolution, setting the stage for a smooth final product. After blooming, it is time to fully dissolve the gelatin into a clear liquid. You can achieve this by gently heating the bloomed mixture. Either place it in a microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds, or use a double boiler over a stovetop. Stir continuously until the mixture becomes perfectly clear, with absolutely no visible granules remaining. Remember, do not let the mixture boil, as excessive heat can weaken the gelatin's setting power. With your gelatin fully dissolved, it is time to combine it with the rest of your recipe's liquids and flavors. Pour the warm, dissolved gelatin into your main mixture, stirring well to ensure even distribution. Consistency is key for a uniform set, so mix thoroughly. Then transfer your preparation to the refrigerator and chill it for a minimum of 2 to 4 hours, or until it achieves your desired firm, yet delicate, consistency. Patience here is truly a virtue. For perfect gelatin every time, here are a few extra tips. Always bloom your gelatin in cold water first. This prevents clumps and ensures proper hydration. Be aware that fresh pineapple and kiwi contain enzymes that can prevent gelatin from setting, so cook them first or use canned versions. Finally, do not be afraid to experiment with different fruit juices, extracts, and purees to create your own unique and delicious gelatin desserts. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.